Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thelma's Creations and More, where today I'll be sharing with you another episode of the August Assembly Line Junk Journal Challenge from Dear Julie Julie. And today we will be making flip up, flip downs, and flip open embellishments for my journals. So, like I said, flip up, flip down, or flip open. Things that go into the journals. So here what it is a square piece of printables from the junk journal kit that I'm using, and I folded it in half, and then I added the stickles, or not stickles, the glitter glue, and then the stickers, and this is another piece of that paper, and just folded in thirds. I put some glitter glue, a sticker, and a bling. Oh my goodness. There we go. And a bling. And here, I'm so sorry. Let me take you out for a little bit. This is a piece of, where did I get this from? Scrapbook paper. This is scrapbook paper. And I folded it in thirds so that it could open up like this. And in the journal, you could tuck it in like a belly band, or you could glue it down, and you have a place to journal. So let's get started. And as always, I'm going to make 3 of like the corner tucks. And so I already put the glitter glue there. And on this one, I believe I was going to put a sticker. Oh, I think I like that right there. 3 elements. I put glitter glue, and then I put a sticker. I'll go back and put some bling. And then this one right here is scrapbook paper script. And I'll flip up as well. I need to put this down here. It was a piece of applique that I had, and I thought it went really well. I'll show you one up close. Ouch! I poked myself with the... Oh, wait a minute. Is this side or this side? It's this side. And so, I'm putting some fabric tack. You'll hear noises in the background. A normal household, there is noises. Okay, I hope y'all are having a great day. I decided to do some, and then I'm going to use it, I'm going to use the same fabric tack glue just because I have it handy. You don't have to use fabric tack because this is just paper. You could use just regular glue. I'm going to put that in the middle. I think that's going to look cute. There we go. And I just might put a sticker. Let's see. No, I can't put a sticker. No, I'm just going to leave it like that. Go back maybe with a bling. And see how the lace is right there. It's like a little piece of applique. And then this is a flip up and down. And so, you know, this was double-sided paper, or a paper that I printed double-sided, and it's going to go in the journal. You can glue it down. And we'll be discussing it as, or showing you when we decorate our journal. Here I need a sticker. Let me see. Oh, how about this one? Oh, yeah, I think, oh, here. Yeah, this one. This one will work. I will show you when we decorate our journal. Perfect. Look at that. And the glitter glue gives it a nice thing. And then this is the inside. A nice little shimmer. And here, I think I'm just going to put it down like that. I'm going to put an extra glue right here. just to get, I didn't put it in the vase that it's supposed to be in. If you've seen my channel, you know I have a little vase. I'll show you in case you've missed it. Vase I picked up at the thrift store, or a cup of some sort, and I put it down this way so that the air bubble can go up, and then whenever I want to use it, it's ready to use. And this is a sticker from the Dollar Tree that somebody gifted me in a swap. I used it because it has a butterfly and it has other colors in it. And so here I have this one. This is from the kit, this part of it. But I printed it on vintage style paper. I have no idea